This wonderful gated building offers high-quality bachelor's, studios, and 3-bedroom apartments and is located in the north zone of University Park within the DPS Safety Patrol boundaries. Perfectly situated, it's the closest building to the north entry of campus, and there is also a convenient USC tram stop just outside. It's also just a short distance from the 28th Street Fraternity and Sorority Row. Inside, you'll find a large living and sleeping space, which is great for studying, working, or just relaxing. Every unit is equipped with air conditioning for your comfort. The well-appointed kitchens are equipped with sleek granite counters and black appliances for convenient cooking in style. With high-quality bachelor's, studios, and 3-bedroom apartments available, you can be sure that there's a floor plan here to meet your specific needs. Our bachelors come complete with a mini fridge and microwave for snacks on the go. The building has gated parking available for your convenience, as well as on-site laundry machines and free USC campus cruiser car service. For leasing information, please contact us by phone at 213-765-3330, by email at office@firstchoicehousing.com, or visit us online at www.firstchoicehousing.com today.